Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're here in the water, and you can see some major flash flooding that is occurring from the storms from a couple days ago. But that's not what we're talking about today. What we're talking about today is 4 possible things that could cause you to lose your grandfather. This is a question we get almost every day from insurance agents and customers. Hey, I had a grandfather policy. Why did I lose it? Well, today we want to answer that question for you. Before we get started, remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood insurance, and flood zone changes, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. So let's talk about some of these reasons today. One of the top reasons that someone might lose a grandfathering policy is they let their policy lapse. You see, one of the conditions with a grandfather policy is you have to have continuous coverage. So as soon as you let that policy lapse, you lose that grandfather. So this is probably one of the number one reasons. The second reason might be if your building was substantially damaged. You see, many times when a building is substantially damaged and FEMA has paid out, they go back and they re-rate a policy based on the year of the substantially damaged. So let's say your house was built in 1985, but it was substantially damaged in 1998. They might go back and use 1998 as the year built, which could cause you to lose your grandfathering rates. Then there is substantially improved, which we see every day from investors. This is one of the biggest ones that causes people sometimes to lose their grandfather. You see, when a property is substantially improved, like a substantially damaged building, let's say you have a building that was built in 1985, but it was improved in 2005, well, your policy could be re-rated using the year 2005, having a major impact on flood insurance rates, causing you to lose your grandfathering rates. Now, the last one is actually one myself that happened to many years ago that I had to fight, and we did get approved, and that is built-in compliance. If a house is not built within compliance, then you can lose your grandfathering. If FEMA finds out the house is not built within compliance of flood management guidelines, then what happens is they will go back and they could re-rate a policy, causing you to lose your grandfathering. So it's really important that you pay attention to these things. Maybe you're losing your grandfathering. Maybe you're not even aware that grandfathering is available on many flood insurance policies. If so, make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.